Hey guys, welcome to Adventures of Carlienne. I'm Adrienne, and thanks for joining us on this cooking series, where we get to share all of our love in the kitchen. This month, we are challenging ourselves to cook a different kind of egg every day. So let's get started.
Recording.
The Scotch egg. I've only had these a couple times in my life, and I can't really say that I remember them very well. They're usually made with pork, breakfast sausage, and breaded, then fried or baked. So we're gonna try to make one that's a little more memorable for me.